Hey guys, I have a fun unboxing and it's going to be a little different. Normally I unbox all kinds of things, but I generally unbox art supplies, craft supplies, all that kind of things. But I have a premium steak knife set. And the reason why I thought the timing was wonderful for unboxing this is I am in the middle of working on a new series for my channel, and it's going to be foodie Fri-Yays. So this is like perfect timing. Here is my brand name, and I tend to destroy names. So I have this. Enjoy your life. It came with like a plastic overwrap, but I had to peek because I just had to. So came nice and sturdy. Got it from Amazon. Super easy peasy. I'll have links down below, all that kind of stuff. But in the event that you're really wanting to have like the UPC deets and all that, there we go. So we've got a 6-piece steak knife set. Great, comfortable grip, Pekka wood handle, German stainless steel. There was black or brown for the handles. I was able to choose. Let's see. It says cannot be put in the dishwasher, not dishwasher safe. Hand wash is recommended. Of course, wash your knives between each use. Hand wash, dry thoroughly. Don't leave them to soak in water. Great. So listen, guys. I actually have right over there my current steak knives, and they're vintage. These are actually so sturdy. I love that, like there's heft to them. Oh, and you could have serrated or non-serrated. I went with serrated because I don't know. It just seemed like it would really plow through a steak well. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So let's see what else. I'll have the URL for this specific one, but okay, let me show, guys, let me embarrass myself. These just don't come clean anymore. It's like they're rusted over, they're janky, they're kind of cheaper. So this is goodie number 1 to go towards Fruity Fri-Yay. Is there anything else I want to tell you? Because I was so excited about these, and my husband kept trying to get into them. I'm like, wait, I want to unbox them because, you know, you feel just a little bit fancy when you get new kitchen things. So I think that's what I had to tell you. So you can get the brown handle or the black handle. Really nice, like depth, like not depth. I don't know. Like you can really feel the weight of them. And they came nice and snug and safe in their happy little box. And that's what I have. So short and sweet video. Very excited about this new set. I'm going to give them a nice little soapy wash. Hand dry them. Do not soak them as I read. It didn't say a thing. And guys, stay tuned because we're going to get chopping and dropping before you know it. Bye, my friends.